Yo my friends, what's good? It's Smartphone Buzz USA. I'm here to drop the best deals today. Noise cancelling tech under 50 bucks. Stay tuned, cause this list just might stun. Alright, let's kick it with deal number 1. Soundcore Q20, yeah, it's second to none. Active noise cancelling, bass up, it's tight. For 49 bucks, it's a sound delight. Next up, Teotronics, model BH085. Cuts out the noise, keeps your sound alive. Battery life sick, lasts for 30 hours. At under 50 bucks, this headset's got powers. Moving on quick to the Zynic Vibe. Comfort and style, let's take a deep dive. Foldable design, noise cancelling clear. For $45, it's music to your ears. Fourth on the list is the S-Rhythm NC25. Lightweight and comfy, it keeps you alive. ANC strong, Bluetooth 5, it's fly. For 50 bucks flat, give this one a try. Last but not least, meet the Wise headphones. Noise cancelling pro at budget-prone zones. Sound is crisp, and the fit feels right. At 49 bucks, this one's out of sight. So there you have it, 5 solid picks. Noise cancelling headphones that truly click. Like the vibes? Then hit subscribe. Turn that button red and join the tribe. This is Smartphone Buzz USA, all day. Bringing tech to your screen in the freshest way. Like, share, and comment, don't be shy. I'll catch y'all later, peace out, goodbye.